guys, welcome back to my channel. SashaJay here as always. Don't forget to be my friend on my social media account, which is Snapchat and Instagram, to follow my latest upload videos and my new buys, whether it be beauty, hair, clothes, or baby related if you are interested. So don't forget to follow me and be my friend on there. I'd greatly appreciate it. And as the title specifically states, this is an Ulta haul, and I am very excited for this haul. I have been waiting forever to do it, and I mean, I've had this makeup sitting in a bag since Christmas because it took me so long to find the time to make this video. So I am very excited. Without further ado, let's get into this giant Ulta bag that I am so happy to finally open and show you guys what I got and finally be open to use the makeup myself. So let's get this video started. So like I said, today we are doing an Ulta haul because my boyfriend was so generous and gave me a $100 Ulta gift card for Christmas. But you know, we can't go to Ulta and not spend anything less than $100. Anytime I go to Ulta, I'm always spending $100 and more. So if you girls are with me, or guys for that matter, that go into Ulta and spend more than $100, give me a thumbs up. Let me know that I'm not alone here in that shopping spree of Ulta goodness. But yeah, so he gave me an Ulta gift card, so you know, I went in and spent it right away. And let's get started to what I got. Alright, so I'm just gonna go into this beautiful bag of goodies. On a side note, it would not be a video if my dog Bruce did not appear in it. So you know, he's always in here keeping me company. But let's see what we got in the bag of goodies. And I'm just gonna pull out random stuff and then we'll just talk about it in there. So the first thing I got was this Benefit Defined and Refined Brows, and this is in color number 6. I just asked the girl what would be best with my hair color. I don't know if you guys can tell by the camera and the lighting, but my hair is black, so I didn't want to go with black for my brows. I just asked her what would be the best shade because I'm terrible with shading, and she suggested number 6. And I wanted to get the kit because it came with a brow conditioning primer, a Precisely My Brow pencil. You even get a measuring or a mapping tool for your brow, and a highbrow. So that was pretty cool. I think it comes with all the necessity items that you need to have fabulous brows. I've always loved Benefit Brow Cosmetics. Like, I always loved their products for the brows and never failed me, and when I saw this product I was like, I have to get this. On my next product, which, you know, I'm gonna stick with the Benefit theme here, I got the Pore Freshenel. So all my ladies and gents out there who have pores, such as myself, I have pores like no tomorrow. Like no tomorrow. And I cannot get rid of them, and it's just a pain in my butt. I've bought this before, and since I had the gift card, I was like, you know what, I'm gonna buy it again. And I have to get this. This is the only thing that helps with my pores, like only thing that helps. Continuing on with the Benefit thing, I actually got their Hello Flawless Oxygen Wow foundation. I already knew I was honey. Yeah, what am I? I am shade honey, so I'm so muddy honey. Love their packaging, love their titles, love Benefit. By the way, this is not sponsored. I just love Benefit. But anyway, I got their yeah, it's the Oxygen Wow Broad Spectrum with SPF 25 brightening sunscreen makeup. So it's pretty much their foundation. Oxygen Wow Hydrating Complex Brightening Oil Free Flawless is what it says on the Z side of the package. I tried their foundation maybe once or twice, like maybe a year ago, and I'm not a big foundation person at all. The one I've been using lately is the Maybelline's Fit Me, And once again, I am horrible with matching foundation. Like, I could not match for the life of me. So I just picked that one. It seems to be working out pretty good, but you know, I'm very white here and then I'm tan here, so it doesn't really match. But this one seems to match my skin all over. It doesn't leave me cakey, it doesn't leave me flaky, it doesn't go into like your creases and make you look horrible. Like, this is a really good foundation. If you're a beginner or intermediate or advanced on your foundation routine, I would definitely give Benefit's Hello Flawless a try. Next thing I got was this NYX mascara, and it is the NYX Double Stacked Mascara. I've tried this once and I got it at Target, and these usually retail for $17, which is highly expensive on my end for mascara, though I love my lashes, and thank my mommy, I am blessed with long lashes. So I tried this once because one of my best friends recommended it. Thank you, Janet, love you. So she recommended it, and it is honestly the best mascara I have ever used in my life. And I use a lot of mascaras because I don't like to use false eyelashes, because like I said, I've been blessed with lashes, and I've always been told to not use fake lashes because they'll rip off my natural ones. So I'm always looking for new mascaras, and I go from Maybelline to NYX to CoverGirl. Like, I'm everywhere with mascara, but honestly, I have to say this is definitely my favorite mascara product. And even though I already have long lashes, even if you have short ones, I've seen girls that had short lashes and this just brings them out. So I will be doing a review on this, so look out for that later. Next in my list of goodies, or bag of goodies, I got the L'Oreal Lumi Glow Nude. There you go. L'Oreal Lumi Glow Nude, and it's the highlighter palette. I love highlighting my cheeks like any other girl. Who doesn't want to look like a unicorn and have beautiful, shiny, sparkly skin on their cheeks? So I got this palette. I'm not too good with contouring and highlighting, so I like that it has a guide on the back that kind of tells you like, hey, put this color here, put this color here, put this color here, put this color here, and bam, you're flawless. So if you're like me and don't know how to contour or blush or highlight, I would definitely check out this product. I'll let you know how I like it later on, but it's definitely a really good color. I've seen swatches of it before and it looked really good. So if you have me on Snapchat, definitely look out for these. I'll test these out and then show you what they look like on there. Next on my list is this NYX Matte Soft Lip Cream. And I'm not very big on exploring colors when it comes to my lips. I like this color. Like, I don't even know what you consider this color. This one is Zurich. So it's more of like, I don't know, like a burgundy brown. I'm not really big on reds or nudes, but I wanted to try this color out because I have a color similar to this and I didn't want to buy it online again, so I was like, let's try this out, see how this works. I love matte lipsticks, or glosses I should say, work really best for me because I'm at work for 8 hours, I'm eating, I'm drinking, I'm kissing my boyfriend, and you don't want, like, you know, to transfer. First of all, I don't want to lose the product that I put on my lips, and he doesn't want it on his face. So usually all the lipsticks or lip glosses I've tried doesn't transfer. I'm more of a lip gloss matte person than a lipstick person, so definitely be looking out for this on my Snap as well. I usually post on there like my makeup buys and what it looks like and stuff like that, so if you're interested, definitely follow me there. Last but not least from this Ulta bag is this cute makeup case, and I kind of just got this one just out of a hurry. I was honestly in line and I knew I had like maybe 20 bucks left on the card, and I'm just like, what else can I get? And I'm in line, and you know, in that Ulta line there's rows and rows of little tiny makeups that they're like, hey, don't forget to come and buy me. So I saw this in a big bin, and when I went shopping at Ulta, it was after Christmas. So they had sales, they had their bin still of stuff that didn't sell. And I'm guessing this is one of them, and I honestly just bought it because of the case, because right now I don't have a makeup case. I only have a makeup bag, and it's getting over full, and you know, they get dirty because sometimes liquid falls out and the cat eye mascara runs out, or eyeliner gets like stuck on the bag and stuff, and you don't want that. So I was like, I honestly just bought this for the case, but to my lovely excitement, when I got home and opened it up, I didn't even read the tag. There was a tag on it and I didn't even read it. You open it up and oh my goodness, there is makeup galore in here. And so this is, I guess, the Ulta Beauty Love Makeup 72-piece makeup collection. So I was so excited, and I wear a little bit of Ulta stuff. I have some of their palettes. It's not the greatest quality. It's not that pigmented. They kind of wear off easily, but just for like basic everyday makeup that I really don't care about, like if I go to work and I don't care about like how my makeup is looking too great that day, then I'll definitely go to that palette. Though I do get a lot of compliments on one of my Ulta palettes that I get a lot, so you know, they're not too bad. But this is what is inside, and it has, oh my gosh, it has everything. Look at that. So inside this lovely 72-piece collection is, you got lip stuff, which is awesome for me because now I can play with colors and figure out if I want to venture out my comfort zone. So you get like the lip creams, 2 lip liners, and a juice infused lip gloss. On this side, you have highlighters. So you have your bronzer, your highlight, your cheeks, all that right here. And on the inside, you have eyeshadows, multiple colors, and it comes with 2 brushes as well. Side note, I figured out, for a trick to get this thing out, because you can't get it out. What I did was, you have to pick up one end of it, and you're gonna fold this a little up and slide it out from the bottom. That's pretty much the only way you can get that thing out. And on the other side, which is, which is this one right here, that is all of your concealers. So they have a light concealer, a deep concealer, a green correcting concealer, a yellow correcting concealer, pink correcting, and lavender correcting. I don't use concealer because I don't know how. Plain and simple. I'm just like, do I put it on after my foundation? Do I put it on before my foundation? And then I didn't even know there were colors. Did you guys know that? Because I didn't know, and I'm like, green correcting? What am I correcting that needs to be covered up with green or yellow? So honestly, I don't use concealer, but I'm gonna start messing with it now that I have it. And then on the very left side of this is a eyeliner. Or they're all eyeliners, so they're all gel liners. You have purple, you have blue, you have deep brown, your taupe, and you also have brow wax, and you also have a deep brown powder, and you also have a eyeliner pencil and a brow pencil. So all of this was in the 72 makeup collection, which obviously I was very excited about. And real quick, I want to add on top of this little Ulta collection, a couple of days after I went to Ulta, I went to Target, and I wanted to show you guys that I got this awesome Sonia Kashuk brush set. And if you guys know Sonia Kashuk, she has really good brushes, and they're really expensive. Normally her stuff is really expensive, and I need a whole new makeup collection, which is why I was very excited about this Ulta haul. So I got these on clearance, and it has everything. It has your lips, your brows, your foundation, your powder, your eyebrows. So it's an 8 brush and a case set, so I thought this was a steal. And another thing that I got from Target real quick, which I'm very, oh, side note, I got an e.l.f. brush also from Ulta. Can't forget the e.l.f. brush. Very excited about. The last thing that I got from Target was, I don't know how many of you on here follow It's Judy's Life, but she is one of my favorite YouTubers. I love her. I love her family. I have literally been watching Judy since day one of her and Benji filming in the office back in their condo, or when they shared that, you know, apartment that they had. So when I found out that her Pixie palette was at Target, I had to get it. So I don't know how I was even late on this, but when I went to Target that day, I was like, I need to find Pixie. I need to see if they still have her palette. And sure enough, they had her beautiful, beautiful palette. And if you don't know who Judy is, Judy Travis, please go check her out. It's Judy Time, it's her makeup channel. It's Judy's Life, it's her vlog channel, and she is amazing mother, wife of 3 kids, and a loving wife. She's amazing. Benji's awesome, her kids are awesome, but I was so excited when I got her palette. Like, finally I got my hands on this. But anyway, that is my awesome haul. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please give it a thumbs up. Please share, like, be my friend, sub, you know, join the party. And there will be more videos to come. I will be doing more first impressions on this, baby videos, all that fun stuff. And if you guys like vlogs and want to follow us, which is me and Walter, on our journey of this beautiful baby boy coming into this world and whatever shenanigans me and Walter get into, then go ahead and head over to our vlog channel, which is XoXo. And if you like any tech stuff, gaming stuff, how to fix stuff, Star Wars stuff, Overwatch stuff, game stuff, I don't know what he does, but he does a lot on that channel, then head over to Walter's channel, which is Neo Defective. So thanks again for watching. See you guys next time. Bye.